everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good week so far. Today I've got a Ted Baker gift set unboxing for you. My friend did give me these, and when she gave me them I thought, you know what, these are so cute. I am uploading every day now, so I am going to pop this on my YouTube channel and I hope you enjoy it. I'll start with this one first. This did come from Boots. It's the Ted Baker London Fragrant Blooms gift set. It's a very sort of classy colour combination. I really love the design on it, and it's just like a little box. You can open the front, I will show you in a second. It's just got the products on the back, and it's just got some gold outlining as well, which I think makes it look really cute. Inside the box it looks like this. I'm going to show you up close. First of all, we've got the Fragrant Blooms design graphics on the top, which is so pretty. It looks like a painting. And then we've got the gift set that's here as well. This item here keeps falling out, so I'm just holding it, but I absolutely love the Ted Baker range. I actually carry one of these body sprays quite regularly in one of my small handbags because they're just so nice and they offer a wide variety of fragrances. Obviously this one is a specific fragrant gift set. All the items I think do have the same scent, but honestly the packaging's so cute. If anybody loves sort of little makeup gift sets, this might be a good idea to have a look in Boots for something like this, because I know realistically loads of my friends would absolutely love stuff like this, and I'm really glad my friend gave it to me because I didn't know it existed. I'm just going to take one thing out at a time and show it to you. We'll take the one that's fallen out first. This is, what are you? I will have a look. It's a tiny mascara. Right, I'll show you the packaging first. This is what the tiny mascara looks like. It's so cute. That's definitely one for a night out handbag if I ever go out again, but this is really sweet. It's got lovely sort of coppery rose gold packaging, and then inside you've got the little applicator. It doesn't actually say on the box whether this is volumizing or lengthening, but to be honest, looking at those bristles, I think it's both. But this is really cute. I definitely will be testing it in one of my upcoming videos, so keep an eye out for that if you want to see it. That's really nice. I love tiny things. The next item is also a tiny little makeup item. It's a little eye crayon. Again, the packaging is so cute. It's gonna look lovely next to my video setup because I have a little trolley where all my makeup is that I can use in videos, and this will go in a little box that I've got there so I can use it. And then this is what it looks like. That's so nice. I'm going to swatch it for you now. Oh wow, the swatch of it is really nice. It's definitely matching the packaging. It's like a coppery rose gold shimmer stick. It's really nice and really smooth as well. I can imagine that going really nice under the waterline as well. If you're wanting to do a sort of nudie shimmery eyeshadow look, this would go really well. This is so cute. The next little makeup item in here, I mean, when they say mini, this is so mini. It's so cute. It's a little, I think it's a lip balm. That's what the packaging looks like. This is so cute. You know what these would actually fit in? My little tiny miniature handbag that could not fit anything else in. So I might do a video with that because that might be quite funny. And then here's the, oh my god, that's so cute. It's tiny and it's got a little T embossed on the top for Ted Baker. Really like that. I'm going to swatch it next to the eye shimmer stick. Ooh, I think those are paired really well as well. I do really like that shade. It looks kind of like a everyday nudie lip balm, so I will enjoy using that one. And I've just checked on the box as well. It is a tinted lip balm rather than a lipstick. Look how tiny it is. That's so cute. The next item I'm going to show you is the body spray. I get the Ted Baker body sprays quite a bit just to throw in my handbag. This is one of their handbag sized versions. It's got the nice floral design on the back of it, and then it's just a clear bottle with a pink lid. I'm assuming all of these items in here are called Fragrant Blooms because the scent is not written on this bottle anywhere. I'm gonna sniff it. Ooh, that is definitely one that can either go in my handbag or in my car because that is really nice. The last two items in the Fragrant Blooms gift set are these two here. We've got the Ted Baker body wash and a hand cream in the scent Fragrant Bloom. This is what the two bottles look like. Really nice. They look really nice in your bathroom. Going to look at the hand cream first. Pop a bit on the back of my palm. I don't know why I said palm there. It's the back of my hand. When it comes out, it just looks like that. It's quite a creamy formula. And then I'm just gonna sort of put it in. Ooh, that's really nice. That's really soft. That smells lovely as well. The Ted Baker hand creams are really good. They're very good size as well, and they're quite a thick formula, which is good if you need sort of hand cream. I tend to get dry bits sort of here because I use purple shampoo, and obviously when you're touching it, it dries your hands out quite a bit. This is very nice to have, and I'll probably pop it on my little vanity table just so I can get it in the mornings. The last one is the body wash, so I'm assuming it's going to smell the same. Yeah, really nice. And then it's just going to come out like that bottom one there, and then obviously you use this in the bath, so me rubbing this in isn't going gonna do much. But yes, it feels very smooth, and it does, it smells lovely. That was the Fragrant Blooms gift set. I'm gonna move on to the next one now. This next one is just a one product gift set, but it's really cute. It's called the Glimmering Garden gift set, and it's in the same box, really beautiful, gold detailing on, and just looks so classy. And then inside, you've got the biggest body wash in the world. And I love the design of this box. It's definitely reusable, and it's a huge bottle. Look at that. That would last me years. It's so big. It's bigger than my head. Oh my goodness. This is the bottle here. It's in the scent Fragrant Bloom again, so it is the same scent as the previous box that we've unboxed, but it just comes as a separate gift set. This says on the back, put some sparkle into bath time with Ted's Fragrant Bloom Shimmer Body Wash, infused with florals, citrus notes and botanicals for modern glamour. I'm very excited to see if this is actually shimmery. I'll just put it all over my arm. I can see the glitter. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells the same. It's kind of a yellowy tinted one, so I'm wondering if it's gold shimmers. It's a very gold toned glitter. I'm sure you can see a little bit on camera there, but it's over here. It looks really nice. Definitely kind of thing you could use for New Year's Eve or sort of a Christmassy period, or if you just want to sparkle in general, which is always a good thing. I'm definitely going to pop this next to my bath so I can get some use out of it, because I think that's really lovely and fun. That was my unboxing of the two Fragrant Blooms Ted Baker gift sets. Thank you to my friend for giving them to me. They're really special and I can't wait to use them. And I thought I'd turn them into a video because it is sort of getting into gifting season and you never know who might like it. I do a lot of makeup and beauty videos on this channel and haul videos, just everything makeup I absolutely love. Even if things are tough in life, like this is my little corner and it just takes my brain away from everything that's stressing me out. I love filming, I love uploading. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!